All right, so we are being asked to find the missing side of a right triangle, and we're going to use Pythagorean theorem to solve this. So we're given two pieces of information, so two side values, and we are looking for the third. So in this example, we get A is equal to 8 meters. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of make my visual over here. So A is 8 meters. B is not given to us, so that's the one we're looking for. And C is 17 meters. We are looking to find B. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in to my formula. So plug those values into my formula. So 8 squared plus B squared equals C squared. So that's going to be 17 squared. The first thing we need to do with Pythagorean theorem is to square our values. So that means to multiply them by themselves. So 8 squared is the same as 8 times 8, which is 64. We cannot do anything with the B squared because that's what we are finding. Oops. So we're going to leave that right there. And then on the other side of the equal sign, we are going to do 17 squared, which is the same as 17 times 17, which is 289. Now that we have expanded or done the exponents, we're going to go ahead and move things around to get B by itself. That's our goal here. So we need to do the inverse to get this value of 64 to the other side. So this is technically a positive number. So the inverse would be minus 64. I'm going to do that to both sides of the equal sign, and I'm going to copy it back down. So I go back to B squared equals, and then 289 minus 64 gives me a value of 225. Now we are not quite done. We still have this square that we need to take care of right here, and we still have to use the inverse or the opposite. The opposite of squaring something is to find the square root of that value. So we are going to take the square root on both sides, cancels out the square over here, leaving us with just B, equal sign, and then the square root of 225 is 15. So the measurement for side B is going to be 15 meters. Remember, when you're putting this into Google Classroom, just put the number. Don't put the B equals or the C equals or the value of the unit. Just put the number, please. The code word for this is ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Hope this helps.